Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Firebase for push notifications setup step by step clearly. To register with Firebase for push notifications, start by visiting the Firebase website at firebase.google.com. Click on the Get Started button to create a new project. If you already have a Google account, sign in, otherwise, create a new account first. Once signed in, click on the Add Project button to initiate the project setup process. Enter a name for your project and select your Google Analytics preferences. Click on Create Project to finalize the creation process. After your project is created, click Continue. In the Firebase console, select Project Settings from the gear icon in the top left corner. Navigate to the Cloud Messaging tab within the settings. Here, you will find your server key and sender ID, which are essential for push notifications. Next, you will need to add your app to the Firebase project. For a web app, click on the web icon to register your app. Enter the app nickname and configure the necessary Firebase hosting options if needed. Click on Register App to complete the process. Then, you will receive a configuration snippet. Copy the Firebase SDK configuration details. Next, implement the Firebase SDK in your application by including the provided configuration in your HTML. In the Firebase console, enable cloud messaging by navigating back to the Cloud Messaging tab. Create a new notification message to test if your setup is working correctly. To send your first push notification, enter the necessary message details and target your app users. Finally, test the push notification on your device to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.